Right, here we go guys, the clock is absolutely against me to get everything I need to go done. So let's see how quickly I can get it, see how quickly I can get it in and done. And right, so I'm not going to be able to push that in yet because I need to get rid of my bar. It says that, I've made it like really awkward for myself. Oh, jeez. Right, I've lost my part. There it is, my glare guard. Cool. There's my bit of bar coming out. Let's get that out of the way. Right, now we can get our tube liner in with our bar. Push that all the way up. Put the ring on. Obviously, I'm against it, but I'm like, gotta get this stuff filmed, right? You gotta get this stuff filmed. So I will give you another viewpoint from here. There we go. Another viewpoint right in front of me, and we can switch back and forth and do all of that stuff, and I can and you can kind of maybe see what I'm doing, maybe. So we'll get these bolts in. Look forward to syncing up this footage later. It'll be a tomorrow job, that will. So hopefully that footage comes out decent. So I've got that in, that's nipped up, that's fine. Doesn't need to be ultra tight, just tight enough. And then whip this on. Where are we at, guys? Where are we at? I don't know what we are time wise, no idea. Nip that up, that's in. I mean, I've got, I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes, not anywhere near long enough. Right, get them loaded, get that on, get the height set. Height set. Load that bar back in there. Part length. Liam didn't change the part length. There we go, part length done. Right, that is the bar feeder done. How quick is that when you can actually pre-set up everything? It makes such a difference. Put you in here, push that bar back there. Let's get the, hey, what? It's not in its home. Where's the gun? Where's the gun? What the hell is it doing up there? It's got a home over there. Knock that off, rip that out. Let's just bring in our little piece of foam to make life easier. Right, and pop that back in its hole. There we go, that's out of the way. I need 25.4, which is this one. Wipe through really quickly. There we go, that one's in. Super. Get this one out. No bar pusher in this one, so I've got to get that bar pusher in there for this. Right, that is that one out of the way. So unscrew this little bar pusher we use. This one's the one we use for 1 inch round bar. Not 1 inch round bar, we use it for 12.7mm. So I'm just unscrewing that right now, get that out of the way. There we go, get our 25mm pusher in. While I'm doing that, just give that a little blow out. Should be wearing protective eyewear, I hear you saying. Yes, yes, I should be. What are we predicting? Just check there isn't any swarf in there. Okay, it's locked in place because, I don't know, whatever it was running last, it's called the C-axis up. Cool, that's in place. Let's put them home. Super, now let's rotate the chuck. Right, and get to both tools that I need to get to from here, which is great. Whip this one out. So what, should we bring the DSLR over? Let's bring you in behind me so you can at least kind of see what I'm doing. There we go. Much better. I've still got to machine my first part, and I'm definitely not going to do it before 4. I reckon I should be able to do it before 10 past 4 though. So we're at 1 minute 2 at the moment. What do you reckon? 10 past 4, first part? I think that'd be a nice swift changeover. I'd like to say quicker. It's not going to be though.
See you in the morning, Chris.
See you in the morning, Pat. Go. Pop that in. Pop her in. What's she binding against? This one. Who's been naughty and done that up? Okay, let's get that nipped in. Something in the coolant like burns my cuts. I can literally feel my hand burning right now. It's wonderful, absolutely wonderful. I like these gloves, but none of the gloves we've got actually protect your hands from liquid. And Liam suggested the other day that we wear rubber gloves under our gloves, which I think is actually a really sensible idea. It really is. So this one's loose. Got that one coming out. That's better. Right, nip these now. So now, one. Anyone do these up with a torque wrench? That's what I'm curious. I've considered whether or not that is a good idea, and it probably is, because I'm sure there's probably a recommended torque setting for all of these screws, rather than just, yeah, that feels, you know, all right. Totally went the wrong way for a second there. I am sweating in here. I cannot tell you the humidity. Whew, feels like I'm in Thailand. I wish I was. Nah, I like it here. I like it here. Come on, out you come. Out you come. Come on. There we go. That's it. Quad turn. Out. New drill. In. Right, sometimes I need to use a little bit of rubber mallet manipulation. Oh, not this time. So I always, when I'm doing this drill up, I always do this screw up first, and it not only sorts the rotation, it sorts the position, and I clamp it in with that, and then I nip up all the others. Oh, it's really burning now. It's like there's acid in here. Is there acid in it? So maybe it's just, maybe I've just got aluminium in my fingers. Who knows? I should stop being a girl's blouse. Definitely taking a while to do these. Now we did get some adapters and set everything up to do it with an impact wrench, which hasn't been inconvenient to do so. I'd love to re-explore it. The risk is cross-threading any of these bolts. Oh, that one doesn't actually nip up to anything, that's why. Let's bring this one back down. And these ones don't get tightened really, they just sit against the sleeve. Right, that's our tools in. Do we have our live quad turn on the back side? No, we don't. Why don't we? That's weird. Why's it got taken out? Okay, it's been taken out, guys. Ah! No idea why. Why would someone do such a thing? I think I'm about to find out why. is it because we only have one chamfer mill and no one has told me? Because I don't see any more, which is a problem, because then it's wasting time. Right, looks like that is the case. So I need to get that chamfer mill out. That's really annoying. Now I thought Liam had only just used the machine with that chamfer mill in, so I thought it was still in place. Clearly, it was taken out. I'm going to bring it right round. Clearly it was taken out so that he could do what he needed to with that, but obviously we need to order some more. Now, can I get it in without rotating it? I think so. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now I know what you're thinking. Chris, you should never tighten up against the journals. Now I know, I've been told, but that's all I need. Don't need any more than that on it. Okay, she's together, she's in. Super. Now wouldn't it be great if the offsets were just done, but they are not. So out comes this beauty. Now I shouldn't do that, shouldn't put it in between my legs, but I have. Now I like to do this with door closed. And this tube is right in my way. But you've got a great inside view there, so you can see everything. And I can see not a lot. There we go. 1 into X, into Z, into X. Now I can't see anything again, so I'm just now slowly jogging up to bring that into place. Cool. Now I do actually need to, do I need to check that insert? No, I don't. That insert has never changed. It's fine. It's all good. It's all good. Right, reference home. Now what I don't want is the swarf to wrap around the Renishaw, so I'm watching that right now. Not exactly the most sensible thing in the world, is it? I'm going to have to open the door. Damn it, this is costing me time, guys. I have to do. So I mean, really, this would be a pretty quick process if it wasn't for the fact I just have to do the sub spindle as well. You all right, mate? You off? Right, there we go. We are ready to go, ladies and gents, boys and girls. Put that away. I mean, that was what? 13, 14 minutes, I think. So that's to not the first part, obviously, just to get my tools in and get them touched off. Which I think's pretty quick. It could definitely be quicker. I'm just going to change tool 8 and make it 0.1 bigger, because that is generally what we find is the right number. So we're going to go for 1, 2, tops, spike, open, menu, go. Now I don't run this full board just first go, because that would be frigging stupid. Oh, I'll do my best. Face the other side off, and then we're going to come in with a chamfer tool, hopefully, and chamfer it. And then hopefully we spit it all out and we're absolutely beautiful. And then I've got to check all the dimensions. So guys, thanks so very much. I'm sorry the video was long or short. I don't really know. By the time I edit it, we'll see. This went flat pretty quickly, so the battery life on it is pretty short, but I think that's why they have that little extra battery on it. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'll see you guys later. Bye.